I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe Machine Gun Kelly literally tweeted, I'm gonna drop more songs for the album tomorrow. Like straight up. I wasn't ready. I wasn't prepared for this, but here I am. And I'm looking at the first song on the list, and it's another song with Youngblood. I'm gonna love this. I know I'm gonna love this, right? Uh I just landed in Berkeley and look what I found.
Let's see if I can die from the storm.
I'm gonna love this. But yeah, this song is called Body Bag. It starts with Youngblood. I love that. Why wasn't this on the original album? It's so good. On my wish list. She knows my pressure points, baby. Put me in a body bag. I love their voices together because like Youngblood has such like a high pitched voice, and then you got Coulson that has like such a like a low pitched voice, and they like together it just sounds so beautiful. Oh, beautiful! This is... Oh my god, I love this part! Oh, it's so good! Why wasn't this on the original album? That's all I'm asking. Ooh. Beautiful. Okay, so now we're on to Hangover Cure. I have my own hangover cure. I don't know if you guys like to know. But it's pretty much like toast with eggs and then sausages and then mayo and then another toast. Then I eat it. That's my hangover food. Yeah, that's how I cure it. Wake up, still drunk from last night, the first day. Ever since you walked away, I can't wait to taste your breath, 'cause you turn me on. Oh, I love it. I love this. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, it's so pretty. The fact that like these songs didn't make it to the album just have me in shock. I mean, to be honest, I don't know which one I would switch for because the songs in the album are like amazing. But like, also, why not make a 21 song album? I wouldn't mind. Oh, I love this one. Oh, this part. Wow. I think this is one of my favorite songs. Yeah, I think this is one of my favorite songs on the album. It's so good. I love it. Why wasn't this on the main album? I have so many questions right now. Okay, now on to song 18, Split a Pill.
Did you guys start off the song a little too loud?
No, that was just fine. That's not too loud. Damn. I can't tell if it was you or the drugs, but I don't think I can function without you. Oh. Oh. Let's play the pill and break up. Hi, I'm still in your draw. Let's play the pill and break up. Oh, I love like the chorus. It's so cool. I've lost all of my feelings. I love that. love when like songs end like that. Oh, these songs are so good. It's just, I wonder like how many songs does Coulson have like in his fucking drive. They're just so good, waiting to be released, that he's just sitting there doing nothing. He could be making money giving them to me, but no, he decided to keep it in the drive. Okay, now I'm gonna react to Can't Look Back.
I thought about giving up everything. Oh, I keep my cards shut. Sabotage.
Ooh, I like that. Wait, let me go back. Oh, that was nice. Oh. Damn. I love that. Oh, that's a nice guitar. Ooh. That was great. Oh, I love the production on this one. So yeah, I guess that's it. My favorite song from these that I just reacted is pretty sure Hangover Cure. I love that. I loved it so much. So yeah, I guess that's it. Go and stream Ticket to My Downfall by Machine Gun Kelly.